Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add annotation queries to your Grafana dashboards so you can automatically pull in event data like deployments, outages, or system restarts directly onto your graphs. Let's get into it. First, access dashboard settings. Annotations are configured at the dashboard level, meaning they will apply to all compatible panels within that specific dashboard. Open your dashboard and click the gear icon, Dashboard Settings, in the top right corner. From the left-hand menu, select the Annotations tab. You will see a list of existing annotations, usually just the built-in ones. Click the plus New Query button or Add Annotation Query to begin. Next, define your data source and query. This is where you tell Grafana which database to look at and what specific events to fetch. Give your annotation a name like GitHub Deployments or Alert History and select your data source like Prometheus, Loki, or Elasticsearch. In the query editor, write the logic for your events. Example, Loki, job equals deployments, pipe equals deployed. Example, Prometheus, alerts sum alert state equals firing. Depending on your data source, you may need to map specific fields. Ensure you have a time field for the vertical line and a text field for the description that appears when you hover over the marker. Lastly, customize the display. Once the query is running, you can decide exactly how those annotations look on your screen. Choose a distinct color for the annotation lines so they don't blend in with your metric lines. Use the enabled toggle to turn the query on or off. You can also use tags to filter exactly which events from that query should be visible on the dashboard. Click Apply to see the changes in your preview, then click Save Dashboard at the top of the screen to lock in your settings. And that's pretty much it. To add an annotation query in 2026, head to Dashboard Settings, Annotations, select your data source, and write a query that identifies your specific events. By mapping your time and text fields, you'll turn raw log or metric data into helpful visual markers that explain exactly why your graphs are spiking. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.